Hi friends, welcome back. Today we are going to study how to find the value of a polynomial when the variables is given. So this is the main topics of the polynomial chapter. So let's start our sessions. So first of all, what you have to understand, what is a value of a polynomial? The value of a polynomial p of x at x is equal to a. A means what? Some other variable. The which can, we know that already. The variable means what? It changes according to the situations or the questions. Here is a obtained on replacing x by a. For example, here when we already know that the polynomial is an expression that has lots of constants and variables. Here these expressions, the x, y, it can be replaced by given values. When the questioner is given you a value, then we can replace it by that value. For example, let us clarify these topics by doing a problematic problems. Okay. So what is this? First, consider p of x equal to x raised to 2 plus 3x plus 4. This is a question given here. Here also, when here the question is defined, find value of p of x at x is equal to 2. So what is that? How to find the value of a polynomial? We can find the value of the polynomial when we replace x is equal to 2. Here what is the question given? P of x is equal to x square plus 3x plus 4. We have to replace x is equal to 2. So we just replace this value of x by 2. P of 2 equal to what? We have to replace not only here LHS side, we have to replace the value of x on the RHS side also. Here x changes to 2, 2 raised to 2 plus 3x means what? 3 into x. 3 into 2 plus 4. We already know that the DMAS rule. So what you can apply the DMAS rule. 2 raised to 2 means what? 2 raised to 2 means, or 2 square means 4. P of 2 equal to 4 plus 3 into 2, 6 plus 4. Now do the additions. We already know the arithmetic operation. 4 plus 6 plus 4. How much? 4. So P of 2 is equal to 14. This is the value of the polynomial when we replace x by 2. This is the questions. Just have a look at this problem. Move on to the same type of second questions. Before going on to this question, after reading the questions, please pause for a minute and do the questions answers by yourselves. After that, continue my video. Consider p of x equal to x cube plus 4x plus 2. Find the value of p of x at x is equal to 3. Here we have to find the value at x is equal to 3. Here p of x equal to x cube plus 4x plus 2. When x is equal to 3, what is that? P of 3 equal to 3 cube plus 4 into 3 plus 2. What is 3 cube? 3 cube means 27. 27 plus 12 plus 2. What is the answer? 27 plus 12 plus 2. What is the answer? So the answer is 41. When we replace the x value to 3, we get p of 3 is equal to 41. Just have a look at these problems and find out how we are finding the value of the polynomials when the value is given. Now let's move on to how to find a zero of a polynomial. Before going on to how to find a zero of a polynomial, first of all we have to know what is a zero of a polynomial. And what is a zero of a polynomial? A real number k is said to be zero of a polynomial p of x if the value of the polynomial, that is p of k, is equal to 0. Here, when an expression or when the polynomial is given and the value is also given, When this value of the polynomial is given as is good as 0, then this expression, that's polynomial with that value, is said to be as a 0 of the polynomial. Now let's move on to the problems. Then only we will get a clear-cut clarifications of this 0 of a polynomial. For that, consider this question. Consider the polynomial p of x equal to x square minus 4x plus 4. Find the 0 of a polynomial at x is equal to 2. Here, what is expression? P of x is equal to x square minus 4x plus 4, and the expression is x is equal to 2. When we replace x by 2, what do you get? 2 square minus 4 into 2 plus 4. 2 square means 4 minus 8 plus 4. Here, what is this? 4 minus 8. We have to apply the Demar's rule. Demar's rule means what? Addition first, then comes subtraction. Here, minus 8 plus 4. What is this? When a number is negative and one positive, then what do you have to do? We have to do subtraction and put the sign of the greatest integer. Here, 8 minus 4, what is the answer? That is 4. Which is the number? Sign on the greatest number, that is minus 8. So the answer should have a negative symbol, minus 4. Then 4 plus minus 4, here also apply the same rule. One number is positive, one number is negative. So we already know that one number is positive and one number is negative means what we have to do? We have to do subtraction and put the greatest number integer sign. Here 4 plus minus 4 means it's equal to 0. Here just look, the value of the polynomial got as 0. So we define this one, that k is equal to 2 is a 0 of the polynomial. For the same test, I will give you another question. The next question is, consider the polynomial p of x equal to 4x cube minus 3x square minus 6x plus 32. The value of p of x at x is equal to minus 2. Find the 0 of the polynomial. Before continuing this video, just pause for a minute and do the answer of this question by yourselves. After that, verify your answer with continuation. Here, the p of x is given as p of x equal to 4x cube minus 3x square minus 6x plus 32. Here, what is the x? Replace x by minus 2. So, what it will be? 4 into minus 2 cube minus 3 into minus 2 square minus 6 into minus 2 plus 32. Now, write this. 4 into minus 2 cube means what? 4 into minus 2 cube means minus 8. Minus 3 into minus 2 square means 4. Minus 6 into minus 2 means plus 12 plus 32. Here 4 into minus 8 means when one number is negative and one number is positive means what? The product of negative and positive is negative. 4 into minus 8 means minus 32. Minus 3 into 4, 12 plus 12 plus 32. Minus 12 plus 12 means what is the answer? That is 0. Minus 32 minus 0 plus 32. Minus 32 plus 32. What do you get? You get the answer 0. So what you can define? We can say that k is equal to minus 2 is a 0 of polynomial p of x. So this is the how to find 0 of the polynomial. I hope you have enjoyed a lot in finding zeros of the polynomial. If you have any doubts or any queries related with these chapters, you can comment on the comment box and clarify your doubts. Thank you.